Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add a page in Microsoft Publisher. So let's get started. Open Microsoft Publisher and load the publication you are working on. Navigate to the Insert tab. Click on Page. From the left sidebar, it will add a new page to your publication. If you want to add a page with a specific layout, you can click on the drop-down menu. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.